What is up, guys? I'm Peter from Bag Riders, and today I'm here to introduce to you the Air Ride Emergency Kit because we don't want you to end up like this guy. The first part of your kit that you're going to notice is an airline cutter and some airline. And I bet you couldn't guess what these are going to be used for. Let's say while you're driving an airline happens to get pinched. There's nothing that an airline and a union fitting can't fix. Another thing that's going to save you are these replacement fuses. If your management doesn't turn on or a compressor, it might mean that you have a blown fuse. A way that you can tell is pull it out from your harness, hold it up to the light. A blown fuse will look like this, and a good fuse will look like this. Now let's say that you swap those fuses over and you're still running into problems. Our kit does come with a replacement relay. Go ahead and put that in and see if it solves any of the problems. Next, we have a variety of fittings. These can obviously be used if any happen to be damaged, and included is some Teflon tape to help seal those threads. If the odds really aren't on your side and both your manifold and your compressor both fail, we do offer one last safety net to ensure that your bags inflate. That is going to be an inflation valve. To use these, remove the airline from your manifold, place this on the end of the airline, and then find an external air source. From there, you'll be able to air up your car and ride back home. So now that we've gone over everything that's going to be found in your Air Ride Emergency Kit, make sure to go and get yourself one at bagriders.com, your one-stop drop shop.